Hello everyone. So I don't know if I am the only one who is feeling this right now, but I think that we have in common. We have things in common right now because I feel really lazy right now. I just want to sleep all day, rest all day, and do nothing. Yeah, because lately or should I say, before this day, I was really bombarded with too much work that I think I couldn't handle anymore. And right now, once I get to finish those unfinished work or those hectic works, I again is starting to face with another work to do, and super, it's super exhausting, But I always think that life isn't stagnant at all. Life is a flowing river, and you couldn't just remain steady, because if you just remain steady, then you wouldn't get to succeed or come up to something new because we have to do something. We have to work. We have to we have to do action regardless of what you're feeling right now because that's how life is. On a practical level, um, only the upper class is allowed to rest, but for the lower class, you will have to rest when you couldn't do anymore. But for but yeah, that's it. You can just rest if you are in the lower class level because you know um you couldn't if everything is not available. um Everything is should be work on, and not everything in this world is free, and you can never survive in free. You can never survive for free. That's why you really have to work in order to survive. But I really feel lazy right now, but I don't have a choice. I have to work, and yeah, regardless of what you're currently feeling right now, you have really have to revive all those things so that you can move on, you can do, and you have to chunk conundrums one at a time so that you wouldn't be able to be stressed out. That's what I've learned while watching some videos on Facebook. You really have to chunk conundrums one at a time. Like you have to think that a one day problem can be chunk into pieces. You could do it by parts. Like you could divide the problems into three: the day, the afternoon, and the night. So instead of being so stressed out, you could just stress out into pieces parts. Okay, and I think that would be all, and i I think that I've talked enough, and that would be all.